What's the meaning of citric? Citric. Citric.
Citric. Citric. Citric refers to something that is related to or derived from citrus fruits, such as lemons, oranges, and grapefruits. Citric acid is a common example of an acid found in these fruits and is widely used in the food and beverage industry as a natural preservative or souring agent. The acidity of citric acid also makes it useful in household cleaning products and personal care items. Additionally, citrus fruits contain various nutrients and antioxidants that may provide health benefits when consumed regularly, such as improved digestion and reduced inflammation.